Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix Binance facial recognition not working, and I'll show you how to do it in the simplest way possible. But before we start, there are a few things you definitely should do. You should subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm uploading around 20 of these videos a day, and I'll show you why. I'll tell you why. You should also like the video for the YouTube algorithm. When you subscribe to the channel, you join a community of around 300 people that join every single day. The reason why you want to subscribe with bell notifications on is I upload over 20 of these videos every single day for your value with the hottest cryptocurrencies out there without being financial advice, so that you can be ahead of the curve and catch moves as they happen. So subscribe with bell notifications on. So if you're failing the facial recognition, I just had one of my friends fail the recognition, and here's a few things that you can do. I've opened up the Binance app and I want to show you what they're saying. Visit the Binance website, log into your account, blah blah blah. You all know that stuff. In the identity verification area, click verify. Yes, you do that. After choosing nationality, click on start, obviously. And this part, you shouldn't miss that part. You should be careful with this part so you have everything set up, even though it's very basic. First name, last name have to match your ID. Begin verification. If you're having issues from the start, I gotta tell you, try another browser or clear your cache. This might seem very simple, but if you're Chrome, use Safari. If you're on a Windows device, you're using Google Chrome, try Firefox, log in and start the verification again. That actually helped some people out. I've checked a lot of Reddit posts before making this video. So you want to take the pictures, upload the files. An alternative is using your phone, but here is the issue. You may attempt to complete the identity verification process up to 10 times a day. You gotta wait 24 hours to try again if all of those are declined. One of my friends failed 10 times, and that's why I'm making the video. These are the things you can do. And there is an alternative to do it from your phone, and here it is. Alternatively, you can move your mouse, use mobile phone, get QR code, and then yeah, here it is. Use your mobile phone, scan the QR code in your Binance app to finish the facial verification. I've done that a long time ago, but I'm pretty sure I did it via phone. And for me, I think the verification took 10 minutes for me. Just make sure you follow those steps. If you still have questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.